Hello and welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson we will learn how to install the MySQL and run the initial security for it. First of all, you will run the following command to install MySQL. You will type yum install and then MySQL and then MySQL -server and enter. And it will now start the installation. It will ask me why, yes or no. Press on Y and enter. It's now downloading the packages, and this process may take some time, so I'll pause the video and then be back. Okay, now the MySQL has been installed. You can see here that the package is installed and its dependencies are installed too. So to be sure that the MySQL will start automatically each time the system is rebooted without you having to make it start, you will type chk config and then MySQL it will be MySQL D and then on and enter. And by that you don't have to start the MySQL each time you open or reboot the system. Now I will start the MySQL service by typing httpd here I'll type service and then MySQL D and then start and then enter. And now you can see that the MySQL has been started. Now I'll run the following script to do the initial security for MySQL. So you will type MySQL and then underscore and then secure and then underscore and then installation and then enter. It will ask you for the first question here. In here you will type the root password and enter. Okay, here it seems as it says that if you have just installed MySQL and you haven't set the root password yet, the password will be blank. So I will leave it blank as it is and I'll just press enter. So here it will ask you now to set the root password. You'll press on Y and then enter, and then you will enter the password. And then press enter. You will enter it one more time. And notice that the password that I have added here is the root password. So if you enter any other password, it will automatically change the root password to the new password that you have added. So it's very important that you be focusing on the password that you add here. Now it will ask you to remove anonymous users. You will press on enter. Here it will ask you also disallow root login remotely. Enter. And here remove test database and access to it. Enter as well. And this will be the last part, reload privilege tables now. You will press enter as well. And you can see here that you have successfully installed the MySQL on your computer or on your Apache web server, and you have made the initial security. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.